Hello, hope you are doing good. So I am going to show how we can use this tool. So just open this, just go to there. So there is the open user form. Okay, this is the home sheet and this is the database for data entry, and there is all data will be preserved there. And this is our header. Okay, fine. And this is the drop down. That means this category wise drop down this dynamically. So if you change anything or add anything or remove anything, this will be reflect in the user form. And this is for also the multiple. So how we can manage this, we will show there. Okay, so home, and that is open user form. Now we are going to our main form, just data management. So there you can see this is our required input field, so and also required button. So we are going to start from beginning. There is a date, so this is the date picker. Just click there. So as per your required wise, you can select your date. Okay, there is a time. So if you want to time refresh, then there is a refresh button for time. So this is the current time will be show there. You can change there as per your requirement. Okay. So this is the days of event. So numeric value will be validated there. So just input there. Okay, category is the drop down. So I am just input there name of the event. So this is the okay. Just input there. Okay, so there is the internal, external, and this is drop down. Okay, domestic or foreign. Okay, select this. Who requires the event? So this is you can select from the drop down, or if you input this, then this will be drop down in the next time. So I am just select there. Now who attend the event? So this is the multiple selection, that's why we are using this select. So there is the option is the multiple selection base. So you can select this, but also then you can double click there, then this will be unselect to select option as per your data entry. So after completing, you can also use by search. For example, I am just search by AL. So you can see there AL. Okay, clear. That means existing all will be show there. Okay, you can also select to unselect there, then this will be reversed. That means this is the vice versa. Okay, this is the final list. So if you come from this, then click the apply button. Otherwise you can select the cancel, then this list will not be insert. Okay, so we need to insert there. So we are going to use the apply. So you can see this is who attend the event, and this is the list, and you can see there again this is the list. Okay, and number of attendance, so this is also numeric, otherwise this will be validated there. Okay, after completing all the information, you can see there add new button. So click the add new. Okay, information added successfully. You just go to the database sheet, and there you can see this is the new data is there. Okay, this is also our multiple information there. Okay, so now go to again home. So there is a search criteria wise search. So if you want to search from full database, just select the all, otherwise you can select date wise, and this is for days of event. For example, you just search by category wise, just select a category, and there is a two category. So select anyone is okay there, this search data will be show there. Okay, so after search or anything else, you can edit any information. Just click that, double click there, and you can see the previous all existing data will be show there, and you can edit your requirement wise. Just test 2, and that is the select. So we can remove this, and there is the apply. Okay, apply there, and okay, we can change anything there. Okay, fine. After editing information, you just need to update information. Okay, so information update successfully. So you can see the database information updated there. Okay, you can also delete any information. Just click there and delete the information by clicking this delete button. You can also clear the full database clearing, and this is a refresh for full form refreshing, and this is for exist, and this is a when you use this button, just minus, and you can see the user interface you can feed this. So when you download any information, you can use this button for download any information. For example, after searching any information, when you require the download, then you can download it. Okay, so that's all, and this is the exit button to close the information. Just close this workbook. Okay.